Hello traders, Jason here with SwingHigh.com. It is Wednesday, May 18th, 2011, and this will be a review of, so far, my worst trading day to date. So far I've had 5 day trading sessions. Last week I had 2. I made some money on Monday, lost a little bit more money than I made on Tuesday, then came back after the symposium this week and made a lot of money on Monday, made some more money on Tuesday, and then started off today with about, I want to say 8 or so losing trades. I was looking at a bunch of different names. I made trades in ESRX, HPQ again, and I think BJ, and then Soda. And today, those 8 trades, they were just well managed, you know, trades with specifically calculated risk, about $50 per trade, and I just kept losing. So I was down about $400 on the day, and it came to about lunchtime, and I decided, I should call it quits. So I kind of did. I took a long break for lunch and came back to the trading desk, my computer, excuse me, and just kind of wanted to see what the markets were doing into the close. Wanted to watch the reaction to the FOMC minutes, and just kind of get a gauge going into tomorrow. Now, Soda was one of the names that I traded earlier in the day, and I was trading it around this level here. This is a pretty big level on the daily, and was also approaching all-time highs. So I had traded it back in here, and I got stopped out. And then I came back to it later in the day. I came back just before 3, around 4:30. I was looking at this name, and it had just made this little parabolic run here. Not little at all, very big parabolic run, and it was very, very frustrating to come back to a name that I had traded long around 48.50 and see it up at 53.50. A $5 move intraday. That's huge. That could have easily been my biggest winning trade to date, but instead, I'm not sure exactly what came over me, but I got very aggressive. It was probably frustration and anger from not being in that move, seeing this stock move so far off the level that I had tried to trade earlier and failed. And then basically we got this reversal on pretty decent volume. So I tried to shorten here, and that didn't work. I got stopped out, and I tried that with much more size than I should have, many more shares than I should have traded. And then when it came back up and broke out, I tried a long. Once again, way too many shares. Poor risk management altogether. I let these positions swing against me way too much. In general, I made 3 or 4 trades up here with way too many shares, with really loose stops, and volatility was crazy at the time. It was jumping like 10 cents a trade, and I usually risk about 10 cents. So I was just getting chopped around like crazy, and within about 10 minutes, I probably lost $2,500, which really, that hurt. It's a price well worth paying, though, because I can never allow myself to have such a lack of discipline again. Taking very poor trades, not thinking about the risk reward. And I think one of the things I can do better is I do manage my risk well, but at the same time, I should probably trade less shares to start and ease into the positions a little more. Take more trades with smaller size. That way I can protect myself as opposed to doing something stupid like I did at the end of the day today. So, lessons learned. I'll be back tomorrow, and I will let you know how that goes. I'll talk to you later.